Hello everyone, welcome back to chapter 3. So in previous chapter we explored cloud providers, learn about the top 3 platforms that is AWS, Azure and GCP and compared the services they offer. So now as discussed we are going to dive deeper into one of them, that is Microsoft Azure. So in this chapter, we will cover what is Microsoft Azure, a simple real world example to understand its use, and high level overview how it works. So let's begin. So imagine there is a clothing brand. Let's call it TechnoAarambh that recently launched multiple fashion lines and want to sell its product globally through an online store. They approach an IT service company and explain their requirements. They want to build a website, manage customer data, handles online payment, monitor global traffic and ensure security at every level. Then the IT company suggests deploying everything on Microsoft Azure, one of the world's top 3 cloud platform, and explain why. So with Azure they explain build and deploy their website using Azure web app and virtual machines, store product data, image and customer orders using Azure storage, and manage customer and payment data securely using Azure SQL and encryption services. Track website traffic and performance using Azure monitors and application insights or analytics. And scale globally with Azure Global Data Centers and content delivery. And even analyze customer behavior using Azure Analytics and AI services. And also, the IT company explains variety of services Azure provides, like Azure Functions, virtual machines, application insights, how load balancing works, and how the website will work behind the scene. And also they explains how Azure offers virtual networking to ensure smooth performance and flexibility. Then TAware also raise a very important questions. What about the security? Then IT firm reassure them to explaining Azure offers enterprise-grade security service including Azure Security Centers, Microsoft Defender or Cloud and Key Wallet for securing sensitive information. It follows strict compliance standard like GDPR, ISO, making it suitable for handling payment data, customer info, and more. Features like role-based access control and multi-factor authentications ensure authorized user can access the data. So whether it's a product details, payment informations, or customer data, everything is encrypted, monitored, and protected. Then the TAware also think that if you use this platform, then it might be over budget. So they again ask a question like, is Azure expensive? How much it cost? Then the IT company explains one of the key cloud benefits, that is you only pay for what you use. Azure offers flexible pricing model and companies can scale resource up or down based on the traffic and demand. It means no wastage, no unnecessary billings. So everything on Microsoft Azure is accurate, cost controlled and secure. And that's how Microsoft Azure helps to real world business go online quickly, securely and efficiently. From hosting their website, managing the backends, analyzing the traffic, to protecting sensitive customer data, all within a single powerful platform. So in the next chapter, we will be exploring these Azure services in detail, starting with Azure Compute Service, where we will do hands-on demo and launch our very first Azure resource. So if you found this video very helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to support the channel. And as I always say, keep learning, happy coding, and I'll see you in the next chapter. Until then, have a great day.